Welcome back to Like Health. If you're looking to boost your health with a simple yet powerful food, you've probably heard of chia seeds. Packed with nutrients, these tiny seeds can have a huge impact on your body when eaten daily. In today's video, we're diving into the top 10 incredible benefits of adding just 1 tablespoon of chia seeds to your diet. Stick around to find out how this superfood can improve your health and well-being, starting with the first amazing benefit. First, boosts heart health. Chia seeds are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart health. These healthy fats help reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and may even improve cholesterol levels. Studies show that omega-3s play a critical role in preventing cardiovascular diseases by reducing the risk of blood clots and improving arterial function. Just a tablespoon of chia seeds daily can help keep your heart in top shape. Add them to your morning routine, and you're giving your heart the support it needs for long-term health. Second, supports digestive health. Chia seeds are rich in fiber, providing about 11 grams of fiber per ounce. This high fiber content promotes healthy digestion by regulating bowel movements and preventing constipation. When chia seeds absorb water, they form a gel-like substance, which helps move food through the digestive tract more efficiently. This can also aid in weight management, as fiber helps you feel fuller longer. So, if you want to keep your digestive system in check, a daily dose of chia seeds is a great choice. Third, enhances bone strength. Loaded with calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, chia seeds are perfect for improving bone health. Calcium is essential for strong bones and teeth, and just 1 tablespoon of chia seeds gives you a significant portion of your daily calcium requirement. These minerals also work together to support muscle function and prevent bone-related issues as you age. Whether you're trying to maintain strong bones or prevent bone loss, chia seeds are a simple, natural addition to your diet. Fourth, regulates blood sugar levels. Chia seeds can play a crucial role in stabilizing blood sugar levels. Due to their high fiber and protein content, they slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, preventing spikes and crashes. This can be especially beneficial for people with diabetes or those trying to manage their blood sugar levels. By keeping your glucose levels in check, chia seeds can help you maintain energy throughout the day and reduce cravings for unhealthy snacks. Fifth, promotes weight loss. Chia seeds are a natural appetite suppressant. Their high fiber and protein content help you feel fuller for longer, reducing overeating and unnecessary snacking. The gel-like substance formed when chia seeds absorb liquid also expands in your stomach, creating a feeling of fullness and aiding in weight management. Including chia seeds in your diet can support your weight loss journey without feeling deprived, making them a must-have for anyone looking to shed a few pounds. Sixth, improves skin health. Packed with antioxidants, chia seeds can protect your skin from the damaging effects of free radicals and environmental stressors. These antioxidants help combat inflammation and oxidative stress, which are major contributors to premature aging. The omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds also play a vital role in keeping your skin hydrated and promoting a healthy glow. Adding chia seeds to your diet could give your skin the boost it needs to look and feel younger. Seventh, increases energy levels. Chia seeds are an excellent source of protein and healthy fats, providing a natural and sustained energy boost throughout the day. Unlike sugary snacks that cause energy crashes, chia seeds provide a more balanced source of energy. This makes them a perfect pre-workout snack or a great way to start your day. By stabilizing blood sugar levels and fueling your body with nutrient-dense foods, chia seeds can help keep you feeling energized and alert. Eighth, supports brain function. Chia seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for brain health. Omega-3 support cognitive function, memory, and overall mental clarity. Research suggests that these healthy fats can improve mood, reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases, and enhance brain performance. By incorporating chia seeds into your diet, you're fueling your brain with the nutrients it needs to stay sharp and focused throughout the day. It's a simple yet powerful way to boost your mental well-being. Ninth, strengthens the immune system. Chia seeds are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, all of which play a key role in strengthening your immune system. These nutrients help fight off harmful bacteria and viruses, keeping you healthier year-round. Additionally, chia seeds are a great source of zinc, which is essential for immune function and wound healing. Adding chia seeds to your daily routine can provide that extra boost your body needs to fend off illness and maintain optimal health. 10th. Promotes better sleep. Chia seeds are a natural source of magnesium, a mineral known for its role in promoting relaxation and better sleep quality. Magnesium helps regulate neurotransmitters in the brain that are responsible for calming the nervous system, leading to improved sleep patterns. By consuming chia seeds, especially before bed, you can benefit from their calming effects, helping you unwind and sleep more soundly. For those struggling with sleep issues, this simple superfood could be the key to a better night's rest. Chia seeds are a powerhouse of nutrients offering a wide range of health benefits. Packed with fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants, they support heart health by reducing inflammation and cholesterol levels while promoting digestive health through their high fiber content. The unique ability of chia seeds to absorb water allows them to expand in the stomach, creating a sense of fullness, which can help curb hunger and support weight loss efforts. Rich in calcium and magnesium, chia seeds also help strengthen bones and improve muscle function. Consuming them is easy as they can be added to smoothies, sprinkled on salads, or mixed into yogurt or overnight oats for a nutritious boost. Not only do they enhance the nutritional profile of meals, but they also contribute to overall well-being, making them a valuable addition to any diet. Whether consumed whole or ground, chia seeds offer versatility, ensuring that individuals can benefit from their properties in various ways. The small yet mighty seeds continue to gain popularity as a simple, effective way to enhance health and wellness. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to like channel to follow all new